Bed! He wants to cut it with pliers.
What?
The screw.
Hold on. What are you trying to do?
Unscrew it. We killed that screw.
Because you use it. Why are you using that?
This is not the right screwdriver.
Why not use a bigger?
It's supposed to be a bigger one.
Use a bigger bit.
Put a bigger bit on that one.
Well, how does this work?
I told you.
He said not telling.
Use that one. That'll work.
I told you that. I told you that wasn't the right bit.
We need a lesbian. Does this make us real men?
Fuck no. But if it makes us a real man, I don't want to do it anymore.
What? You don't want to be a real boy?
No.
There's like a big hole in the middle of it now. Just like Jonathan.
That's what we. Once we put paint over it, it'll be fine.
Do you want to go get the paint?
No. Leave the paint for last.
Hey. I dropped something. Oh, we're dropping screws.
Yes.
Okay, I can do it.
You got to push hard on the back of it when you do it.
Hard. Hold the ladders on. Push myself over. I'm gonna hit you in the head. Okay.
Push hard on the back. Push hard on the back.
It won't go in the hole. Hold
Turn the
this
drill
part.
sideways.
Oh. Why didn't we think of that before?
So push hard on the back of the drill.
Stop laughing. I can't do this while you're laughing. It's actually going to get irritated.
Push hard on the back of the drill.
I'm pushing hard.
On the back of the drill.
You hold this piece
No,
up.
you hold that and I'll push.
Okay,
Yeah.
push. You get up there, smartass.
Let me try.
I said hold this piece up. See, that's a lot easier for you. Ready?
Push hard on the back of the drill.
It's going! It's
Push
going!
hard on the back of the drill.
Oh, it's going! You queen! You're such a queen. Okay.
It's not my fault I'm stronger than you, anorexia.
Whatever, blame me out. Okay, head into the drill.
There you go.
Well, this just doesn't look. There's a spider. Do you want up here, Jonathan?
No.
You use a manual screwdriver on those.
Huh? This one?
Yeah.
We should use a manual screwdriver. Not everything comes automatic. Well, how are you supposed to use it? Oh.
You're turning the wrong way.
You're turning the wrong way.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
You
you
are.
are.
Well, Mary. Why does it matter which way? As long as it looks like it's going, can't y'all just let me do it? Does everything have to be perfect?
Have dogs
What are you
around?
doing?
I don't know.
Something.
You're not doing anything useful. So why don't you go up in the attic now?
Fuck you, yeah, slide.
I think we've got another Chuck on our hands.
Truck.
Chuck.
Chuck with the chuck.
XCBL Chuck. Barbie.
Who's Barbie? I'm not Barbie. You're Barbie.
You're Skipper.
Kill it! So then come back up here with me. Chop. Gee. Which way?
Seth, it's on your hand.
It is away! That wasn't on my hand. You are.
Honey, why don't you help us?
I'm trying to work.
Excuse me.
He's working.
Excuse me. Yeah, so you're too queen to do man's work. You should leave this to lesbian.
Not you. Watch out, Lesbo. Where are you going?
To the garage.
Whoa. Okay. Anorexia. Hold on a minute. We're supposed to drill a hole first.
Oh, we're putting the hole out here? You put the hole out here? Stop laughing at me, Zach. You put the hole out here? I thought you drilled it in the attic.
You guessed wrong.
You know what, bitch?
We go get it, bro.
Well, you go get a drill bit.
You need the big one.
That one's underneath the mattress. Jonathan used it last night. Anyways, I think we're doing a good job. Progression. There's a bug. That snake up off this lap.
No. Hide it right on top. Hide it right on top. Right on top. No, don't need it. What? It's in the red toolbox.
Oh, it's not. I just looked.
Okay.
It's gonna fall.
Usual. Thank you. So you can widen it with like a screwdriver or something.
Okay, bulimia. Anorexia shit.
I think Zach should have to buy us Barbies after we're done with this.
I do too.
Okay,
I
yeah.
thought you were making lunch.
I'll have to go get lunch. We've got really nothing to make.
You fucking bastards! You fucking bastards! That was so not fucking funny. Fuck you. Do it. I'm not fucking doing it now. Fuck that shit.
I love you, Jonathan.